Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to unbox this Flipkart parcel and it has just been delivered. I want to unbox it because there is a book in this parcel and as I always do. So let me open it. So I need to see, I'm just doing it alone and I have to do it alone. I don't know whether I'll be able to do it properly or not, but let's see. It's very scary because I'm using this blade, right? So here I have almost done it, so let's see what's there in this box. Okay, oh my god. So here is the bill. First let's look at the bill. So the bill says 198. So the book cost me 198 excluding the service charge because I'm a Flipkart Plus customer. And here is the book. Oh my god, this is Alchemist, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho, the most popular book in the self-help genre, self-help actually, but philosophy and fiction. So look at the price, $350. No, the fake price. I got a handsome deal. And there is a bookmark, of course, as always. So the bookmark is here. Oh my god, I've got a very nice bookmark. Look at this. This is the bookmark. To a great mind, nothing is little. Exactly so. So, and also there is another quote. There is no there is no surer foundation for a beautiful friendship than a mutual test in literature. Okay, so this is the book, The Alchemist. This book is amazing. I have another copy I can show you. I bought this hardcover. Okay, I bought this hardcover a long time back, and I'm a habit reader. So this copy is for my sister, and I want her to complete this book because this book is a must read. Everybody should read this book. If you are thinking of reading a nice book which will be staying with you forever, then The Alchemist is the best choice. So go for it.